Hey fellow chow dogs, welcome back to the pit with Chef Marty, and today we will be preparing crab-stuffed garlic and herb salmon. So without any further ado, let's get ready to chow down. Let's start by cutting one large lemon into slices and placing them on a large cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the salmon on top of the lemon slices and set aside. In a bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, cayenne pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir until well combined. Pour the mixture over the salmon, ensuring the garlic is evenly distributed. Set salmon aside. To 1 pound of crab meat, add 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, Old Bay seasoning to taste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Gently fold crab mixture to combine thoroughly. For the dry rub, combine equal parts garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, and cumin. Mix thoroughly. Season salmon generously with prepared dry rub. Layer the crab meat mixture on top of the center of the salmon and level out to ensure even cooking. Optionally, you may cut a slit or pocket in the salmon to hold the crab meat. For added flavor, sprinkle some dry rub on top of the crab mixture. Additionally, you can season some shrimp with the remaining dry rub and place on top of the crab meat for garnish and to add that wow factor. Place the salmon in an oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees. Bake uncovered for 30 to 35 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches a minimum 145 degrees. While our salmon is baking, melt half a stick of butter. Then stir in some heavy cream, about 1/4 cup, until you get your desired consistency. Season with any remaining rub, or you may use Old Bay seasoning. After 30 to 35 minutes, your salmon should look beautiful like this. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve. Or you may pour the prepared buttercream over the top before serving. This recipe comes together in less than an hour and is sure to wow your family and guests. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Continue to chow down, and I'll see you in the next video.